The materials used in polyurethane injection molding have excellent heat resistance, stability, low water absorption, and pollution, and have been highly valued by manufacturers in various industries. This process combines the unique properties of polyurethane materials with the precision and speed of injection molding, enabling the production of various higher quality products. Polyurethane injection molding is a process of injecting a molten polyurethane mixture into a mold cavity and solidifying it to form the desired shape. Polyurethane materials mainly include two components, isocyanates and polyols, which are fully mixed together by the manufacturer and injected into the mold. PU injection molds are usually made of various metals, which can withstand high temperatures and pressures during the injection process. Polyurethane offers a wide range of flexibility and versatility, allowing it to be used in a variety of applications. It can be formulated to have varying degrees of hardness, from soft and flexible to rigid and tough. This versatility enables polyurethane to be used in applications ranging from cushions and mattresses to automotive parts and industrial machinery. The ability to tailor the properties of polyurethane to specific needs makes it a highly adaptable material that can be used in diverse settings. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription and consultation to get more industry information.